In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB commerce problems under stock exchange. So we're going to focus on the subtopic procedures of processing, transaction, and second tier security market. We have about 18 to 20 video questions to practice with. Let's get started. The first question here says the profits of the job is known as we have commission, brokerage, pondage, jobbers turn. The right answer is option D, jobbers turn. Next question. It says the clearing house is managed by all except we have exchange and clearing committee, subcommittee, securities, and exchange commission, executive secretary. The right answer is option C. Securities and exchange commission is an exception. Next question. The daily official publication of the Nigeria Stock Exchange gives detailed information on the real changes in the official rules set by the market, method of transaction agreed upon by members, participation of members in the day, changes in price securities. The right answer is option D. It gives data information on changes in the price security. Next question. An instrument that is traded in the second tier foreign exchange market is, so the right answer to this question is option C, which is stock option. The next question. The right to buy or sell stock in the stock exchange within a stipulated period is option D. Option D. The right answer is option actually. This D option. Next question. The payment made by a spectacular to the buyer when he is unstable to deliver stocks on the agreed date is, the right answer to this question is option D, backwardation. Next question. Con div differ from S div in that the latter confirms a purchase or sale made on behalf of a shareholder, entitles the vendor to receive a company's current dividend, is a document used to transfer ownership of shares, entitled the purchase to receive a company's current dividend. Right answer is option D, entitles the purchase to receive a company's current dividend. Next question. One of the main objectives of the second tier security market in Nigeria is to eliminate currency dealing in the black market, assist companies to raise capital, attract investment flow, achieve a realistic exchange rate for the naira. The right answer is option B, to assist companies to raise capital. Very important. Next question. A broker is an agent who links a potential investor with a quoted company. Option A shareholder who wants to register a company, government official on the exchange, other members of the exchange who want to trade. The right answer is option D, under members of the exchange who want to trade. Next question. The forum for the selling and buying of securities of small and medium companies is called, so the right answer to this question is option C, second tier securities. Okay, next question is one. A financial institution which specializes in making public issues of shares on behalf of the public limited companies is known as issuing house. Option B. Take note, guys. Next question. Initial public offering, that IPO, is undertaken through the primary securities market. Option D. Take note, guys. Very important. Next question. The payment made by a spectacular to the buyer when it is unable to deliver stock to the agreed date is, I think the question. Right answer is option A, backwardation. Next question. The second tier security market is, we have a member of the Nigeria Stock Exchange meant for the shares of the quoted private companies, and appended to Nigeria Stock Exchange is regulating arm of the Nigeria Stock Exchange. Right answer is option C, an appendage to the Nigeria Stock Exchange. Next question. The selling of new shares to existing shareholders is refers to as right issue, public issue, bonus issue, offer for states. The right answer is meant to offer for sale. Okay, option D. But the right answer is option A, right issue. Next question. The profit of the jobber is known as jobber's turn. This will take place option D, the right answer. Next question. The market where new shares are traded is known as primary market. Take note, guys. Very important. Option B. Next question. What of the above are requirements for admission into the second tier security market? So let's look at them. Here, companies must be registered as a private limited liability companies. Companies must not have less than 100 shareholders. Alright, this is a requirement. No shareholder may have more than 75% of issued share capital. Yeah, so the two of them, II and III, above are requirements for admission into the second tier security market. So the right answer is option D, II and III. The last question for in this video, this one. It says second tier securities market differ from the first tier security market in that the former is regulated by the NIPC, highly restricted, less restricted, regulated by SEC. The right answer is option C, is less regulated. Alright, so guys, this basically can do a problem involving stock exchange for your JAMB commerce. To practice with about 18 to 20 quiz of the subtopic second tier security market and procedure for processing transaction. Hope there's something interesting in the video. Look at the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what you learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll sure to give you a response. Also, ensure that part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button and getting people information ahead of the tell your next exam like a JAMB and other exams you'll be writing. I will know this. Click the next button. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.